Hey folks, Bob here again at Daniel's shop, and this is a car that he's doing for a friend of his, and it's in a kind of a holding pattern right now, so they got it kind of stuck back up in this lean-to for right now till he gets a open bay in his, I should say open bay, open room in his shop. But this is a beautiful 71 Oldsmobile 442, matching numbers, 455 engine. This was a bench seat car with automatic on the column, a 342 gear rear end. Now this car was wrecked years ago, and they bought a parts car to put it back together with. And like I said, it's waiting for the chance to get back in his shop and get going again. And it obviously runs because he's got a brand new battery and alternator on it. New air cleaner. Look at that engine. Ain't that something? I thought Oldsmobiles were gold.
Big blocks of blue.
Big blocks of, okay. I learned something. I did not know that. Okay. Cool. See there? You learned something on Bob's Classic Cars and Parts that you won't learn on any other channel. And rumor has it these Oldsmobiles would outrun AMCs also. That's what I've always been told anyway. Not a Plymouth, but an AMC. This is definitely a work in progress. He's going to, and we've seen several of his cars. Trust me, this car will be drop dead gorgeous when he gets time to get on it. He's about here. I hit that motorcycle a while ago, about broke my hip. Ugh. And he's been gathering parts for it. I'm going to do the best I can to get you in here, guys. Like I said, it's kind of back in this lean-to just for storage. This thing here was probably blistering fast. Let's walk around the other side, folks. Looks like they've done quite a bit of work to the front of the car already. So all this stuff is new. Like I said, it was wrecked. But they're putting it back together. Air-conditioned car too, folks. Look at that. An air-conditioned 442. Nice little project right here. This car will be restored. No, David, I know you're going to like that. You like them when they get restored. He's going to put this one back as close to original as possible. The owner has owned this car for a long time. Oh, it's red. What color red is this? Does it have a name?
Yeah, I don't know.
He's shaking his head. He don't know. He's a Pontiac man. Don't ask him no hard questions about Oldsmobile. What's wrong with me?
Might be Matador red.
Thinking Matador red. What do you guys think? Matador red? All right, folks. We're trying to bring you everything we can to let you know that there's guys out here working on cars. They come in all various. Some of them are done. Some of them aren't done. Some of them are sitting under trees. We bring them all to you. I want to motivate you guys to start on your cars, get working on them. We're sure out here working on ours and trying to bring you cars and content. Thank you again for Daniel for letting us see this car and all the other cars he's had. And we're getting ready to go look at a bike, another rare bike. We just showed you one. All right, folks, take care. Hope you enjoyed that.